Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to repair the control dial button on a Canon PowerShot G7 X camera. Recently I had this camera which had problems with the control dial button. The dial button sometimes went to the other direction and it was caused by dirt under it. So I had to partially disassemble the camera, clean the control dial button and then assemble the camera. In this video I show you how I did that. It is important to put back the screws where they originally came from. Let me share you a trick which I use to remember where the screws were exactly. I have a paper which is divided into sections and I name those sections by the sides of the camera. Then I place the screws there by their relative position. In this video you can see that, but I have a dedicated video which I show you how to do it. The link is in the description below. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to repair the camera. For disassembly and assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, metal tweezers, a cutting knife and a soldering gun. For cleaning I will use a microfiber cloth, lens cleaning fluid, a brush and a fiberglass scratch pen. If you are interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative and adds value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel or send me a donation. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. Also, there's an update section in the description. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I add it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So, let's get started. This is the camera which dial button is not working. Let's test the ring. As you can see, when I'm scrolling up, the selection goes up and down in the camera. So let's disassemble the camera and then clean the button. Remove the battery. Remove the screws from the back cover. Remove those two screws from the right side. Remove those two screws from the bottom of the camera. Remove the screw from the left side. Remove the remaining screw from the right side. Remove those three screws. Remove that metal plate. Disconnect the flex cable and then remove the dial button unit. Use a blade to cut off those plastic black dots. Be very careful not to cut the flex cable. Also, don't throw away those black dots because we will put it back during the disassembly. After the plastic dots have been removed, then you can remove the button. Clean the PCB of the button with microfiber cloth and rubbing alcohol. Then continue the cleaning with a glass fiber scratch pen. You can continue with cleaning bottom of the button, but make sure that you circle around in the directions where the metal sensors are bending. Finish the cleaning with a brush. First, put back the dial. Put back the black plastic dots where they were. Use a soldering gun to adhere it back. Continue with the other 3 outer dots. Next, put back the inner button and then put back the 4 inner plastic dots. I lost two of the dots, so I just use another piece of plastic. Put back the bottom panel and then connect the flex cable. Put back the screw into the bottom panel. Put back the metal plate and then the two screws into it. Put back the back cover. Put back the screws. We are done assembling the camera. Now put the battery back and then test the diode ring. As you can see, the diode ring is working perfectly, So the repair was successful. I hope this video was useful, helpful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, please like this video, subscribe to my channel or send me a donation. The links are in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching my video and see you next time in my other videos.